When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone.
Hello friends, and welcome to this video. Before we get into today's lesson, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Today, I've got something really different for you from the market, and yes, it's all about crypto. I want to show you that there are some powerful strategies happening in the markets right now. Take a look at this trade. In less than an hour, the price pumped up by 11%. No magic, no tricks, just the result of years of experience in the market. And honestly, you won't even find this type of training anywhere else, not even in most channels. Today, we'll combine a few tools and patterns, and I'll show you how we could have easily caught this long position in just a few minutes. When I opened the chart, the very first thing I noticed was a trend line that had already broken upwards. And not only that, but it was confirmed because the candle closed above resistance, with strong momentum behind it.
We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens.
After that, I switched from the 15-minute time frame to the 4-hour time frame. There, I spotted an order block along with an FVG. Price had tested that FVG once but didn't fully fill it, then came back and completed the move. This gave us a strong sign that the market was likely to continue upward, a clear long opportunity. Now, all we needed was the perfect entry point. So. I went back to the 15-minute chart and noticed another trend line. The market was respecting that line and forming base candles. And guys, if at any point my explanations feel unclear or you want me to go deeper, let me know in the comments so I can create a detailed tutorial for you. Here's a quick trick for you. When you draw your trend line, simply duplicate it. Place one copy on the lower shadow of the candle and another on the upper shadow. This technique can help you recognize setups with candlestick patterns like dojis, engulfing candles, and so on, making it much easier to trade them. I drew my trend line again and noticed another FVG that got filled. Then I just waited for the market to break out of the range box it had formed. Once the breakout candle closed, I entered the trade, and as you can see, the market pumped up strongly. At the end, I also explained another way you could have taken the same setup. Using the exact strategy one showed you, you could have entered step by step with a simple 1-2-3 setup and exited with profit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come, my tears, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up.